new arrival, Range Rover Sport. For me, I love these cars in white, and this is a really high spec vehicle on a 23, 19,000 miles, Fuji White. But if you look at this car, the way it stands and sits, the 23-inch wheels, the full black pack with black roof, the sliding roof, and then the interior. Go and have a look in that window, because the cloud interior in this car gives you that white with cloud. Very, very popular combination in one of these cars. Now, it's a Range Rover Sport D300 SE. It's got a really lovely colour combination, and then the wheels, the steps, the mud flaps, the black pack give this car a really unique look and an exceptional price. £67,990. This car's going on the website now. That is an unbelievable buy, because for me, it's got the sliding roof, a must in one of these cars, the bigger wheels, again making the car look and stand so much nicer. And then the steps, so steps on the car, obviously they're functional, whether you're going to use them or not, they do help you get in and out. Black mirror casings, black roof. It's obviously a four-door car, so lots of space, lots of practical elements to it. And front to back, it looks super, super sporty. Obviously, it is a Range Rover Sport. Luxuries throughout in one of these cars, so heated seats front and rear, adaptive cruise, heated wheel, electric seats, Meridian sound, air suspension, great driver, 300 brake horsepower. Still got warranty with Land Rover until 2026, this car. Big boot space. If you want the registration for your insurance purposes, there you go. RE Richard Elliott 23 FTO. Assisted tailgate. Then if we keep spinning the car, you'll see a really cool look. In the rear, we've got that cloud interior, which is stunning against the white paint, heated rear seats, part electric rear seats, Meridian sound. Then look up, because that opening roof making all the difference in one of these cars, especially in the summertime. Keyless entry, blind spot assist into the wing mirrors, and then as I jump in, I'm going to use the step. That's what they're there for. Two-tone steering wheel, so black exterior, cloud interior. The steering wheel is heated. We've also got adaptive cruise with lane assist, switchable cockpit. That's a driver information system here. Big screen, easy to use. You're going to use this screen through your phone, Apple or Android CarPlay. But then you've got the 360 camera, 3D camera, and surround view camera. We've got haptic touchscreen infotainment, so if you can see when I'm pushing this screen, it's sort of like clicking. I don't really like that, so you can turn it off. So you go into the settings, haptic feedback off, and it works so much better. You see we've got hill assist, wireless phone charging under here, heated seats, digitalized climate control, different drive mode switchable here, across into dynamic as well, and then we've got air suspension. So it's got everything, 2 keys, stunning interior, stunning exterior, the best wheels, sliding roof, Meridian sound system. Going on the website now, it's a real seller. For the price, $67,990 is a beauty. If you're interested, this is really important. My name's Richard, my number's on the screen. A simple and easy buying process with us here. Part exchange prices, I can do over the phone. Finance figures, easily done over the phone. Ring me and get it secured. Thanks for watching.